Welcome, dear students. In this video, I am going to explain about images formed in a pair of mirrors. Children, when two plane mirrors are kept at certain angle and an object is placed between them, then we can find more than two images. That is called the multiple images. So let us learn in this video how many images will be formed and why multiple images are formed. Children, suppose we have two mirrors. Let us see. Suppose this is the mirror 1. AB is a mirror. This side is silvered. Then the other side is the reflecting surface. Suppose this is the another mirror AC. It is also kept at certain angle to it. Then when an object is placed in between these two mirrors, we get multiple images. Why we are getting multiple images? Because the image formed by one mirror act as an object for the second mirror, and that's why so many images are formed. These objects and images formed on the circumference of a circle. Now, if we will see in these two mirrors, then where is this circle? And I am saying this image and objects are on the circumference of a circle. So see, suppose an object is kept in between. So let this is the object O. Then if we will see this point where the two mirrors intersect, this point act as a center, and if we will taking this AO as a radius, and if we will draw a circle, suppose A is a center and OA is a radius. If we will draw a circle, then this circle, the image is the object, you can see it is on the circumference. The images also can be seen on the circumference of this circle. So we can say the objects and the images formed by two mirrors inclined two mirrors on the circumference of circle, whose center lies at the point of intersection of the two mirrors, and the radius is equal to the distance of object from the point of intersection. So the image and the object we find on the circumference of the circle. And where is the center? At the point of intersection of the mirror. What is the radius of this circle? So OA, that means from the intersection to the object. This is the radius of the circle. Now we will see the number of images formed by these plane mirrors. So how many images will form? The number of images formed by these two plane mirrors depends on the angle between them. So if this angle is theta, then the number of images formed, number of images is equals to n, and this n we can write 360 degree by theta. So this is the formula for finding the number of images. Now children, there are two cases. In this, the first, if the value by 90. On dividing we will get 4. So it is an even number. So if we are getting an even number, then the number of images will be n minus 1. Means the number of images will be not 4, it will be 3. So if the value of n is an even number, then the number of images will be n minus 1. That means even number if we are getting, then minus 1. So if two mirrors are kept perpendicular, then the number of images formed will be 3. Okay. Now children, the second case if you will see, if theta is equals to, suppose I am taking another value, put theta is equals to 72 degree, and then if we try to find the value of n, 360 by 72, and we will get 5, which is an odd number. So if it is an odd number, value of n is an odd number, then children, number of images formed by the plane mirror or inclined pair of plane mirrors will be exactly 5. In case if the object is not placed at the bisector, angle bisector, that means if it is theta, suppose 60 degree, so in between that will be 72 degree. So if the object is not placed on the angle bisector, then the number of images will be 5. Value of n is equals to number of images. But if the object is placed at the right bisector, at the bisector of this angles, then the image formed will be again using the first case, that is n minus 1, means it will be 5 minus 1, or which is equals to 4. In case the object is placed at the bisector of the angle. Children, why it is happening? Because when the object is placed on the bisector, then two images overlap, due to which the number of images decreased by 1. So if we can say, if the object is placed asymmetric, means not on the bisector, then number of images will be n, that is if it is odd. And if it is placed at the symmetrical, then the number of images will be n minus 1. And same for the even. What will happen if two mirrors are placed parallel to each other? Children, if two mirrors are parallel, then the angle between them is 0 degree. So what will happen in that case? In the case of parallel, if we will see, put theta is equals to 0 degree and n is equals to 360 by 0, and we will get infinite. So the number of images formed when the two mirrors are placed parallel to each other will be infinite. Infinite images will be formed. So these are the formulas, that means n is equals to 360 by theta. This is the formula we can use to find the number of images. But we have to take care that if this value what we are getting is an even number, then the number of images will be even minus 1. So number of images will be not 4. If it is even, then number of images will be 4 minus 1, that is 3 images will be formed. And if it is an odd, then exactly 5 images. But if it is symmetrical, then again we will go the previous formula, that is n minus 1. So this is all about the images formed. Thank you students.